Imagine stepping into a high-tech lab where glowing blue pathways pulse with logic. This is StarPulse, a digital sanctuary for electronics education. Online learning has long felt detached from hardware, but here the platform itself becomes a living circuit board. It can read a handwritten diagram, simulate it on a virtual oscilloscope, and guide learners from novice to technician. At its core, this journey unites human intuition with machine precision, making silicon and electricity accessible to all. The site is designed like a well-organized component drawer. Students explore tutorials from general electronics to quantum robotics, while the circuit analyzer turns diagrams into interactive simulations. A quiz and certification system adapts to skill levels and awards badges. The community hub fosters collaboration, and feedback tools keep the system responsive. At the center, a common dashboard unifies progress tracking and content management for both learners and administrators. The admin offers this platform free to all learners, so users bring their own API keys. In the AI selector panel, links guide you to providers like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Groq, OpenRouter, Cerebras, and Cohere, where you generate and paste your key. Keys remain secure, active only during your session, and vanish once you log out. Because free AI has limits, we built a universal router that treats each model like a swappable circuit component. If one engine hits its quota or fails, requests seamlessly shift to the next. Meanwhile, the user profile system manages settings, preferences, and account details, with the dashboard adapting to user or admin roles. The tutorials section is the core of the platform, presenting electronics knowledge in a clear hierarchy that guides learners from basics to advanced topics. 9 main domains, including general electronics, semiconductors, motors, digital systems, household electronics, quantum electronics, and robotics, appear as glass tabs, each branching into subtopics and sub-subtopics. For example, general electronics covers AC/DC analysis, Ohm's and Kirchhoff's laws, capacitors, bridge circuits, generators, and waveform tools, with each subtopic offering tutorials, explanations, and downloadable resources. This layered structure ensures every file has its place, while administrators can add, move, or rename topics. Students navigate by expanding or collapsing levels, drilling down to detailed content. Lubbed files display in a secure viewer with branding overlays, and a real-time search bar lets learners jump directly to relevant topics, subtopics, or notes. The entire text is already in English. Here it is exactly as provided. The circuit analyzer is the centerpiece of the platform, turning a simple circuit photo or description into a live simulation. It detects components, maps their topology, and compares them against a vast knowledge base. Pressing Analyze launches a virtual oscilloscope that mirrors professional Tektronix hardware, showing real-time voltage and current waveforms. Each component receives a confidence score, and mismatches are flagged as teachable moments. Users can upload diagrams or provide textual descriptions. The system lists detected components, highlights errors, and displays a thinking process panel with step-by-step deductions, topology matches, and warnings. When both diagram and description are provided, the AI checks for consistency, applying rules like Ohm's and Kirchhoff's laws. Results include learners view reasoning protocols, mathematical verifications, and detected components with connections. This comprehensive approach ensures beginners and advanced students alike gain deep insight into circuit behavior. David will explain to us what this quiz system is all about.
Yes, of course. Our certification system rewards genuine effort, mirroring the rigor of a prestigious academy. Students must first engage with tutorials before quizzes unlock, ensuring mastery of both theory and practice. Assessments scale in difficulty from moderate to expert level, preventing shortcuts through external AI. Passing earns dynamic badges and professional certificates with official titles like Assistant Master Technician, stored securely for sharing and recognition. Quizzes feel like formal exams, timed, progressive, and adaptive to topic complexity. Each set includes 30 questions, 25 from the platform's knowledge base, and 5 fresh from online sources, arranged from moderately hard to most challenging. Activation requires meaningful engagement, such as completing all subtopics or consistent study time across 30 days. During quizzes, instant feedback appears through colored lights, and students must score at least 70% to earn a badge. Titles scale with performance, from novice learner at 70% to assistant master technician at 98 to 100%. A candidate database records achievements, with administrative tools to manage older entries, ensuring the system remains both rigorous and rewarding.
The Community Hub is the social center of the platform, where students share knowledge, ask questions, and connect. Posts can include text, emojis, and images, while comments support rich media like GIFs and JPGs. A new transmission button lets users publish instantly to the feed with expandable comments showing author names, timestamps, and attachments. Likes update in real time, keeping interaction smooth and engaging. The bug report section provides a structured panel for reporting issues with fields for title, description, steps, severity, and optional screenshots. Reports notify administrators immediately, who can manage them in a dedicated dashboard with status updates and LED indicators distinguishing admin-only tools. The Contact Us tab offers direct communication with administrators. Users submit messages through a simple form while admins access them in a secure inbox marked by pulsing LED indicators. Messages route seamlessly from user email to the admin system, ensuring reliable delivery and clear separation between user-facing and admin-only functions. This application started from a simple observation that technology should never replace the curiosity of a human mind, but should instead act as the ultimate assistant. We have built a bridge between the physical past of the electronics workbench and the digital future of intelligent assistants. As you move forward in your own projects, remember that the best technology is not the one that looks the most impressive, but the one that solves a real problem and makes someone's life a little bit easier. The silicon world is waiting for you to unlock its secrets, and with the power of structured code and prompt engineering, you are no longer just a spectator, you are the architect of the next revolution.